El olor que me siempre me mira. Y luego me reía, creo que la voy a animar, la tomo más.
Hey, come on, see the phone. Hey. What are you doing? What's hiding? Two yellow ones. They're under a rock. They're under a rock.
You can get this one. Are you strong, Marco? No.
Oh.
Yeah, because I don't want to hit me with the ring.
Re fácil que le hizo. ¿Te miraste?
Look, is that one protecting the female?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Look, right there. I see him starting all the fights.
Which one?
That big one, that yellow big one,
Yeah.
next to the green. Right there.
That's the female right there?
Yeah, look. Goes back down. I saw when he started it. I recorded it all.
That's cool. Mira, cómo se va a levantar. Mira.
Look, wait, he's gonna come back. He's gonna come back.
Es chido lo que hace.
And then he gave me another stick.
El macho cómo protege la hembra.
Come here. Mira, uno le da al otro y el otro se voltea. ¿Ves? Mira.
Look at him protecting her though. That's smart.
Así te voy a hacer.
Oh.
Mira, y no se despegan, allá ya fueron a dar otra vez allá.
That man is protecting the woman. He fought like 3 guys to protect her. I recorded it on. Oh, look. He's listening. Oh, he's right there.
Cristian, hey, pasale, no, la despacito así, no muevas tus brazos. You want
Like
to
that?
record? Yeah, like that. Porque se mira más que muevas toda la mano. Kind of,
Ah, no, que te ayuda. Siento que traigo todo en la cara.